Get your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life. Yeah.
Contact, boy. What we were talking about?
How we broke up.
Oh, bro, I'm sweating.
For what?
It's this day 7 in the Amazon forest. Ooh.
That won't funny. Talk.
What you want to talk
You
about?
is sweating.
I'm tired. I'm a hard worker. Yes. You know, I'm on tour.
What you say?
I'm on tour. I'm trying to drop this album November. I'm trying to hook up with Jacquees. Shout out to Jacquees. He just made that trip. What did he say?
We didn't even do an intro. We just talking.
What did he say?
First, can we update them? Dang.
Hold on, what did he say?
Y'all, we have no power and we hungry and I had to go. Now we just ate some peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Warren, we're not finna discuss that. We're in the dark.
It's
we
on
don't
my
have
head.
no power. We was sitting in the car charging our phones.
I ain't got no haircut.
Is that like really necessary?
You don't need that.
It's a hurricane. You talking about a haircut?
Barbershop at the over though. Get it right.
Okay. Ain't nobody looking at you.
I got these clips in my head right now though. What's the name? I'm not ready to do this video because it's stuck on the top.
What?
What did he say in the song? Pretty makeup can make it. You know, that ain't what he said.
Nah, it's something like that. What you just said?
Your face so pretty, makeup can make it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup can make it. Alright, so let's have this first time. That's off my head.
Okay, dang, finally.
Your face so pretty to me, makeup can make it. Alright, come on. What we talking about? Let's talk about something.
Let's tell them a story time.
First, you see, I'm back. You know, I'm back.
Let's tell them our first argument. You don't remember?
Do you remember?
Yes.
What was it? Was it a candle behind the couch? It looked like it on.
Yes, it would have been on fire
It
right
might
now.
be though.
Nah, it's just that. Oh, we're using candles for our light, man. Also.
Alright, let's go.
Our first argument.
What was that about? Because you see, I don't argue.
What was our first argument? You do argue, don't you, Jay?
No, you like to argue.
What was our first argument? You have to go way back. It's probably something small.
I don't remember arguing.
Our first real argument.
What you talking
We're
about?
gonna skip that.
What was our first real argument?
I don't know.
So why we gonna skip it if you don't know?
I'm talking about like skipping the small stuff, like.
First big argument? I don't know. Remember when we was talking to other people?
That's what I said. Skip that. Why would you sit there and say that? When was we talking to other people? Who is we?
I don't know the other. That's the only argument that I know of.
Don't say we. Like we was both.
I said we.
Say you.
Yo, look at this shirt.
Yeah, let's change the subject. It's not even my shirt.
Whose shirt is this?
My mother's.
What happened?
You know what you just said. You talking about we was talking to other people. You were talking to other people. That was our first real argument.
You said what?
Man, don't act like you sitting here. Don't act like you don't know what we talking about right now.
Well, I said we for a reason. Me and you, that's plural.
We was not talking to other people. You was talking to other people.
It started with me, but two rights don't make a wrong. The two wrongs that make a right. You did the same thing, so it don't matter. We. So therefore.
No, I did it.
So what's
No, I did not.
What's the one? There wasn't no argument after that. That's the
That
one.
was definitely an argument.
Yeah.
That was our first
It's
argument.
still an argument. We still argue about
And
that
we do.
every month. Yeah,
okay. You shouldn't have did it. We want to be arguing every
We wasn't on
month.
the same page. We wasn't on the same. We was.
Okay, but you was acting like we was on the same page, so don't sit there and
How
act
was
like
I?
I was
How was
rushing
I?
anything. Huh?
I was.
The stuff you was saying, now we were on the same page.
What was the stuff I was saying?
Warren, do you really want to Really?
You know what I'm saying? We don't got to bring the whole situation now. I just want to know what was I saying.
Okay, so this was summer, and you telling me when you get back to school, don't be talking to other niggas. But when you went to school, you was talking to other people.
Cause you was. Bro,
no, you told me
my
not
sources,
to
my sources,
talk
that,
to other.
and you did, and you did,
No,
and you did.
Warren.
How you gonna tell me, man?
I found out
My
about
three
girls
sources
before school even started.
My 3 sources ain't gonna lie to me though. My 3 sources ain't gonna lie to me.
Warren,
They lied to me. So they lied to me.
No, don't do that.
So they lied to me. So they lied to me.
Warren, I found out about one before you even went to school. Oh, that was our first argument. You was in my kitchen and somebody called you. While you was showing me a picture. Your pictures you was taking or whatever, and you know who called. You know who called.
I don't remember. I think I remember the time, but I don't remember.
Man, you was going on the way to work. You don't remember saying she worked at my job. She was just calling me to see if I was coming to work. You don't remember that excuse, that lie?
No. I did that.
Warren, we was in the kitchen, and you was showing me whatever, a picture of you, and some girl called you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's pitiful. I did that. I don't remember doing this. That's what I'm saying.
What you mean? You didn't do anything. She called you.
But I'm saying I don't remember this. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. It was real.
It was real?
Yeah.
So.
And then I brushed it off. When I saw it, I was just trying to act like I didn't see anything because we wasn't dating or talking for real. We was talking for real, but I just like, you got one more time to kick that.
I don't remember that, but I feel like I remember, but I don't.
Warren, you do remember because you had so many excuses. First, it was somebody that worked at your job. Then it was just some regular person. You know how long it took you to tell me the truth?
I don't know. This is a touchy situation. I don't
You remember. Stop acting like you don't.
You just slapped me.
You act shady. Like you don't remember.
You hot?
No, you hot because you been lying. You sweating. Because you remember.
Let's say something about
That was our first argument. They asked me to do a story time with you about our first argument.
Man, that wasn't even an argument. You hear me? It wasn't.
Yes, it was. Because you kept calling me when you was at work in the bathroom, lying, still lying. I swear nothing. So.
You didn't address me that day.
I definitely did. As soon as you got to work, you called me.
You said what?
No, you said, what are you mad for? Like, boy, bye. You know what I'm mad for. I didn't let you know I was mad, though. I just think I texted you and said something.
What you say?
I think I said I'm done with you.
I highly doubt you said
Don't do that. Don't get cocky.
I'm just saying.
Don't act like I almost didn't leave you.
Who was this? Don't act like that.
Oh!
Don't act like that.
Don't act like I never ever almost left you.
You almost left me.
So you haven't said that before? I had to get myself together before you really left me.
No. You wasn't about to, though. I just said I had to get myself together before you did.
Warren, no. Remember? You said the other day you even said it. You said I almost lost you, so I had to get it together. And you definitely almost did.
Are we lying or telling the truth?
Warren, I'm definitely telling the truth. You almost.
I didn't mean it like that. I meant it like I need to get myself together before I do. I didn't say
No, you were getting left. You said let me get it together. You were gonna be nobody to me. Definitely.
My bad.
You can't copy my
My nose.
You got more time too.
To do what?
Some bullshit.
Because you got one more time. How many more chances you think you got?
No, you have zero chances.
You have zero. You have zero actually.
I never did anything to you. And if I did, it's because I was trying to get back and trying.
Words are not your man. You not get back.
No, I won't try to get back. I was just trying to like get you off my mind because he
So you
don't
do
really
that?
want to do. So I'm gonna try to like, okay, that's what you want to do. Really? You came to me saying you like me first, and then you gonna do that? Warren, don't do that.
Now we're lying.
Okay, you said I love you first.
No, we didn't.
You said I love you first.
Oh my goodness.
Warren, you didn't say I love you first.
Oh, now we lying. I don't even remember saying this. That's what I'm saying.
We was on. What do you remember?
I don't remember saying I love you
You
first.
don't remember because you was saying it to multiple girls.
Say it
at the
again. Say
same
it again.
time,
Say it
probably.
again. Say it. I love you first.
You said I love you first because first you was like I like you and I was like I like you too. How long were we saying that? About a month, or 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, and then you said I love you and I was like I love you too, and I was hyped.
What you mean hype?
When we hung up the phone, I was like, he loves me, but you really didn't.
I
You
did. I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. That was dumb. I was just,
Boy, shut up! Don't
I
do
had a lot
that.
of stuff on my.
Okay,
on my,
what did you have on you?
I had stuff on my weight. I mean, on my shoulders.
On your shoulders? What?
Yes, man. I had to juggle with, switching high schools and
Man, bye. You could have told me that. Why didn't you tell me like?
being in a bigger role.
Start over. Pause. Why didn't you tell me that though? Why you ain't just say we could talk to other people? Don't just focus on me. Like, but that's not fair.
Nah.
That is
It
not
ain't fair.
fair.
But when I got, man, but you not failing to realize that I was hearing stuff too, so I was like so bored.
Warren, at first, the first one, you was talking to me when you was talking to the old girl, and she called when in my kitchen. Had the nerve to call you while you was here.
Okay, that might be. That's one.
That was the first one. Before we even started school, before I was just texting you, I was just talking to you.
Okay, but then when you found out about that, we had a little argument. Boom, 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 boom. Me and
Oh, you thought it was gonna be the same when it wasn't.
me and that person wasn't talking no more. But then when you went to school,
Stop talking because you already lying.
I am?
Already, yes.
Okay, time out. But when you went to school, we started back. But when you went to school, that's when, because you started, and then I heard, so I was like, boom, so I guess it's
Start over. I didn't hear nothing you saying because you lying. Start over.
when you went to school, I said bet. So I was hearing from people that boom. So I was like bet, boom. So I'm just boom.
You been booming.
I was that one time and then I stopped.
No,
boom.
you was not.
Yes, I did.
You
I stopped
never
boom.
stopped.
I stopped boom for a little while until we went back to school. Then when we went back to school, boom, I said boom, word. Okay, and I was like, them 3 booms is not gonna lie to me, so boom, I'm just
You
go
just
boom.
stopped.
That's how it went.
No, you just stopped booming.
You look boom. Right, you be
lame.
making yourself sound.
You are lame.
You making yourself trying to sound so
Innocent?
You ain't innocent now.
Warren, you started this mess.
You
we
innocent.
never would
You
be
innocent though?
going through this.
We not. It's just
We
you
would
bring
not
it
be-
up. I don't know why.
I don't bring it up. My feelings bring it up. It just, I be reminiscing.
I'm not laughing at that.
You are laughing.
Sorry.
It's funny.
I'm not
Wow, I wish you
seriously.
could feel how I
Seriously.
feel.
Oh, that doesn't make
No,
sense.
I'm so serious.
Don't make it sound like that. 'Cause that's making me sad. Come on.
No, it's not. You didn't care, so don't do that. Because how long did it take you to get it together? I caught you once.
It took me a minute.
And I'm not talking about the first time.
It took me a minute.
That's messed up.
Why you acting like that though? Like you ain't never messed up nothing.
Warren, you messed up.
You told me.
You messed up. Don't try to do that.
Yeah. No, you did that first. Yes, you did.
You was already doing
No, I
stuff.
wasn't.
Yes, you was.
I can't believe it, dude.
Don't do that. Because you was... No. Don't do that.
You don't do that. All right, next story. First time you already did it first time we kissed.
No, I'm irritated.
First time nobody irritates you but yourself.
You started.
First time we kissed. Change subject.
Oh, you want to change the subject?
I'm just saying, because we've been on that subject for at least 25 minutes. Come on.
Guys, that is the end of our story time on what first argument and his lying first kiss because he was Yeah, that's okay. Let's tell them if I am posting on Instagram sad, that's the reason why.
Right. Hey,
The first argument.
That is so irritating. Don't post.
Nah, I'm not really posting about that.
Yes, you is.
Nah, sometimes I just be sad.
You gotta do better.
Or like reminiscing.
Reminiscing.
I'm so serious.
I reminisce about a lot of stuff.
What?
I reminisce too about a lot of stuff.
About what?
Let's end the video.
What?
In the video. On game. Push it in.
Reminiscing about what? You
In
thought that was
the
going to be the
video.
outro when it wasn't.
Outro on game.
What you be reminiscing about? Because we could have just went off.
Cause I ain't
You
got
want to
no
say
socks
something
on.
else.
This is Balencies. I'm go pop on these instantly.
Because I know.
Cause I know. I look cute cross-eyed. Come on now. Yes, I would. Would you be my boyfriend? I mean, whoa. We can edit that.
Now snapping like you Fable, and you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life.